students, I hope you all are well, staying safe at home. Students, you all know this is your English period. I'm your English teacher. We were studying English reader book, lesson number 6, Mystery of the Refrigerators. Yesterday I have explained you the chapter. Today we will do the exercises. Fill in the blanks in the book only. Okay, students, you have to do the exercise in the book only. So everybody take out your book, English reader book, and start doing the exercise. As you all know that today we will do the exercises of this chapter. Lesson number 6, that is Mystery of the Refrigerators. So everybody write down classwork, underline it, put the date, that is 3rd November 2020, underline it also. So let's start it. Exercise number 2, that is fill in the blanks with the correct words. Right? Students, we will do the fill in the blanks in the book only. Let's start. A. Denny ate his dash immediately. What does Denny ate? Immediately. Let's check it out. Denny ate his chocolate immediately. So we will write chocolate over here. What we will write? We will write chocolate, right? Now we will come to the second one, B. Winston kept his chocolate in the dash. Where does Winston kept his chocolate? Let's see. I put mine in the fridge. I is Winston because it was Winston who is the narrator of the story, means who is telling the whole story about the mystery of the refrigerators. So we will put where we will write Winston kept his chocolate in the fridge. Right? Then we will put a full stop also. Now, C1. Winston, Denny and his friends made a dash to stop them from making the awful refrigerators. Let's check it out. Winston and his friends made a plan to stop them from making those awful refrigerators. So what will be the word over here? They made a plan. P-L-A-N, plan. Now D1. Sparky and Winston pressed the dash and pulled all the electric dash in Boss Mole's office. Let's check it. What does Sparky and Winston did? Sparky and I already told you I is Winston. Quickly press the button. What we will write over here? We will write button over here. Electric wires. The refrigerator dash and dash disappeared. Suddenly, all the refrigerators' mouths and hands disappeared. Right? We have done it. Let's read it again. Denny ate his chocolate immediately. Winston kept his chocolate in the fridge. See, Winston, Denny, and his friends made a plan to stop them from making the awful refrigerators. D. Sparky and Winston pressed the button and pulled out all the electric wires in Boss Mole's office. E. The refrigerator's mouths and hands disappeared. Right, children? So, we have completed the fill in the blanks also. Do it in the book only. Today we have completed lesson number 6, Mystery of the Refrigerators from the English Reader book. Okay, I have explained you as well as we have done the exercise in the book only. So that's all for today, students. Have a good day. Thank you.